Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, your youth and community librarian from the Medicine Hat Public Library. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a very unique photo holder using a rock and some jewelry wire. We have prepared some craft kits with all the supplies you need for this craft that are available to pick up during the month of April until supplies last. If you're not able to get your hands on a craft bag, that's okay. The supplies in this craft are very simple and you can probably find them around your house or at Michael's or any other craft store or dollar store. The supplies you'll need for this craft include a rock, wire, we're using jewelry wire, some beads, and a pen. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do for this craft, for our photo holder using a rock and some jewelry wire, is cutting your jewelry wire. You'll need 2 strands approximately 2 feet long. I've already pre-cut mine, so this is my first strand. There are my 2 strands. The next thing you want to do is we're going to wrap our wire around the rock to make it nice and secure, and this is going to be the start of our picture frame. So I'm just taking my rock, putting it about in the center of my first jewelry wire, and bringing it up. And you kind of want to hold the rock in place because the jewelry wire or the rock can slip off. And you can twist it around a couple times. Make sure it's nice and tight. This part might be a little tricky as the wires and the rock kind of want to slip out, but just be patient and keep working at it. So then we're going to take our second jewelry wire and do the same thing but going in the opposite direction. So I'm going to place my rock about the middle and secure it going, I guess this way. We're going horizontal this time. Bring it to the middle, and you can connect all 4 pieces of the wire together as well to make sure it's nice and secure. Like so. To make it extra secure, we're going to take the 4 pieces of jewelry wire that are sticking up and we're just going to twist them together up probably about 1/2 inch all the way up, just to make sure that it's extra secure. Now comes the fun part with your beads. You can use any beads you have lying around your house, and we're just gonna decorate it as whatever you want to decorate it as. You just want to make sure you leave about 2 to 3 inches at the top so that we can make the part that's gonna hold your pictures. So let's decorate. So once you're happy with your beading design, we're going to take a pen. It can be any pen. I'm using a Sharpie. And we're going to start, I'm going to grab one of the tops of the wire. And we're just going to wrap it around the Sharpie a few times, really, really nice and tight. And this is what's going to hold your photos. Like so. And you can totally move your wires around in different directions or so that they're placed a little bit farther away from each other. And it's okay if you notice that one of your wires is longer than the other. They'll give great dimension when you're trying to stack multiple photos on this photo holder. So we're gonna just twist up all the ends and you'll have 4 spots to hold photos. You might want to go back and pinch the wires closer together just to make sure that they're nice and tight, so when you put your photos on, they're not going to fall over. And there we have it! How simple was that to make a very cute and unique photo holder? All you need now is to grab some photos and put them in your photo holder. A very super cute photo holder. It makes a great gift, or you can put it in your own room and cherish some memories by putting some of your favorite photos in there. And like I said at the beginning, it's such an easy craft. How fun is that? They are until supplies last. If you make this craft, we would love to see your completed projects. Share them on Instagram with us and tag us at MHPLTeens and use the hashtag CraftingWithStephanie. Until next time, friends, stay safe. Bye!